This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Spirulina Original vs Fake full comparison. Have 2 samples ready and a magnifying glass to follow along. I will guide you through visual checks, smell tests, and simple at-home assays you can perform safely. Expect clear differences in color, texture, and smell that reveal quality. By the end, you will feel confident distinguishing authentic spirulina from counterfeit products when shopping or unpacking supplements. Let's examine visual and texture clues that separate authentic spirulina from imposters. Look for deep emerald color, uniform flake size, and a fine powder with slight sheen. Fake products can show clumping, dull brown tones, or gritty particles that indicate fillers. I'll describe specific batch examples and what to watch for on labels, packaging, and origin statements so you can avoid poor quality purchases confidently. These checks take minutes and save money and health. Quick recommendation: if this video helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Also, the meal prep containers shown are a handy kitchen hack that keeps supplements and snacks fresh and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals where I list favorite tools related to spirulina storage and travel. Thanks for watching and supporting independent demos. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll cover sensory and simple test methods to confirm spirulina authenticity at home. Smell should be fresh sea-like or earthy, not chemical or rotten, and taste should be mildly marine, not metallic. You can dissolve a small amount in water to observe settling behavior and color retention. When available, I recommend checking third-party testing seals and nutrient labels for protein and phycocyanin data to support quality claims. I'll highlight red flags to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.